Poem I Am the Land. Poetess Marina de Belagenta. I am the land, I wait. You say you own me, I wait. You shout, I lie patient. You buy me, I wait. With muddy holes and car lot eyes, I stare. Then someone tickles me, plants life, fruit, grass, trees, children dance, someone sings. You come with guns, a chain link necklace chokes me now. I wait, you cannot put a fence around the planet Earth. I am the land, I wait. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will study the poem I Am the Land. Poetess Marina was born near Milan, Italy in 1949. She has a degree in poetry and recording media from Mills College and an MFA in visual arts from University of California at San Diego. She was a founder of the feminist publishing house Kelsey Street Press of Berkeley in 1997. Her poetry has appeared in anthologies and magazines in Canada, Italy, Britain, Australia, and the USA. The speaker in the poem is the land or Mother Earth. I wait in line 1 suggests the feeling of patience. In line 2, you is repeated and it refers to the same person. The reference is to man in general, and hence it can be taken as the reader too. I am the land, I wait. The figure of speech is personification. The poet makes the inanimate land animate by making it the speaker. You say you own me. There is a note of irony here. Man thinks he owns the land. In fact, he is the product of the land. The land should claim its right on him and not the other way round. Yet, the selfish man thinks of the earth as his possession and takes the Mother Earth for granted. This poem makes a powerful statement against man's different ways of exploitations of land. As a builder, as a consumer, as an urbanite, and as a warmonger, man continuously takes the land as his own and ill-treats it. The land watches patiently everything and waits for the things to change. Muddy holes and car lot eyes refers to potholes and puddles. The word stare means to look at something fixedly for a long time with patience. In these stanzas, the land on and off has hopes for better things. As a good sensitive man plants and brings life to the land. When the land thus comes to life with trees, fruit and grass, and it is rejoicing time for all. Children dance and someone sings, but the joy does not last. Then someone tickles me refers the land is used greedily for their comforts. Man in his role as warmonger chokes the land. The land feels choked when man makes boundaries. In this context, tickles means plows the land. Chain link necklace refers to a fence. People fight with guns for the land and chokes the land. Mother Earth feels suffocated by the actions of men. Chain link necklace chokes me. The figure of speech is personification. As man continues to exploit the land, it watches everything patiently. But when people put a fence around their property with a selfish motive, the land becomes self-assertive. It reminds them the whole earth is their home, They cannot put a fence around the whole planet. If man exhibits no common sense, it would be his lot to suffer. The speaker is initially optimistic, though melancholic. When the speaker cites positive activities like planting, dancing, and singing, the speaker is cheerful. But when man turns destructive, the speaker turns assertive. This is the poem categorized under nativity. Here, the poetess wants to describe the patience of the earth. The earth is personified and like a mother. She can tolerate all sorts of violations. The poetess herself being the earth and says what are the things she had to tolerate. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.